Planning to buy health insurance in 2026? Stop right there, because choosing the wrong policy today could cost you lakhs during a medical emergency. In this video, we're comparing three of India's biggest insurance companies: HDFC Ergo General Insurance, ICICI Lombard General Insurance, and Aditya Birla Health Insurance, to help you decide which plan actually gives you the best value for your money. We'll be looking at their flagship plans, Optima Secure Plus, Elevate Plan, and Active One Max Plan, and breaking down everything from features and flexibility to claim ratios and pricing so you can make a smart decision for yourself and your family. Let's start with what makes each of these plans stand out. HDFC Ergo's Optima Secure Plus is known for giving you 2x coverage from day one, and with no claim bonus, it can even go up to 4x over time, making it a great choice if your priority is maximum coverage and long-term protection. ICICI Lombard's Elevate Plan focuses on flexibility, allowing you to customize your policy with multiple add-ons depending on your needs, which makes it ideal for someone who wants control over their insurance rather than a one-size-fits-all solution. On the other hand, Aditya Birla's Active One Max Plan is designed around wellness benefits, where you can earn rewards and even get up to 100% premium discounts through their health returns program, making it attractive for people who actively focus on fitness and healthy living. Now let's talk about one of the most important factors: claim performance. Claim settlement ratio tells you how many claims an insurer actually approves, while incurred claim ratio indicates how much of the collected premium is paid out as claims. A high CSR builds trust, while a balanced ICR shows the company is financially stable and not rejecting claims unnecessarily. All three companies perform well in this area, but even small differences can matter when you actually need to make a claim, so this is something you should always check before buying any policy. Coming to pricing, if you're looking at a 10 lakh rupees sum insured, HDFC Ergo may feel slightly premium but offers higher built-in coverage benefits. ICICI Lombard sits in the mid-range with flexible pricing depending on the add-ons you choose, and Aditya Birla offers competitive premiums along with potential savings through its wellness programs. But remember, the cheapest plan is not always the best plan, especially when it comes to health insurance where your coverage matters more than the premium you save. Before you make a final decision, there are a few hidden factors you must always check in the policy document, such as waiting periods for pre-existing diseases, room rent limits that can impact your hospital bills, co-payment clauses where you might have to pay a portion of the claim, the number of network hospitals available for cashless treatment, and how simple or complicated the claim process actually is. Ignoring these details is where most people make costly mistakes. So which plan should you choose? If your priority is maximum coverage and long-term benefits, Optima Secure Plus from HDFC Ergo is a strong option. If you want flexibility and the ability to tailor your policy, ICICI Lombard's Elevate Plan could be the right fit. And if you're someone who values wellness rewards and wants to save on premiums through a healthy lifestyle, Aditya Birla's Active One Max Plan stands out. At the end of the day, there is no single best plan for everyone. The right choice depends on your budget, health needs, and future goals. If you found this helpful, make sure to like this video and subscribe for more honest and easy to understand insurance breakdowns. And if you have any questions, drop them in the comments below, because the best insurance decision is the one you make after fully understanding what you're buying.